What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. We're here at Kebun Bird Singing Club here in Amokyo, near from Amokyo and near from Yuchpang. And we're here to show you the different kind of birds which is they located here to put their little pets to hang here and then that's why they call it bird singing club. Let's go guys and see the beauty of Kebun Birds Club. Let's go guys.
A unique corner of Singapore, located at the foot of a hill which is part of Ang Mo Kio Garden West. The Kebun Bird Singing Club facility has the capacity to accommodate more than 1,000 cages. On the competition days, temporary tentage has to be erected except more cages. Every morning, sans rain and as early as 6 a.m., meerbook or zebra doves are hosted up 20 feet high poles for training. They are hosted up by a simple pulley system. These birds, with a grayish face and a pinkish brown body, are encouraged to sing when in the presence of many of their own kind. Although these birds are ground feeders, they are hosted up so high in the open field because they like plenty of sunshine. When being transported, the cages are covered with cloth to prevent the meerbook from being frightened. The meerbook field has a total of 426 poles. Under the shelter, there are scores of hooks for cages in case of inclement weather. A short walk away, under the shelters, there are cages of long-tailed shama or white-rumped shama. The shama is expensive bird and may cost thousands of dollars depending on its quality, its judges on its singing ability, tonal quality, stamina, liveliness, length of tail, beauty, and frequent up-down movement of tail.
Actually guys, they put it here, the birds here inside because I think maybe a while ago it's raining and now they put it in first here and then later they're going to put it hang. Actually some birds here are hanging already, but maybe I don't know what time, what will be their schedule to put it in and hang there, over there, okay? But well, still we're lucky because at least some of them we seen here than empty at all. Actually there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 more than 10 birds hanging over there, and there's 2 birds here hanging over here, and let's see guys. Okay, there you are. There are only 2 birds hanging here, which is at least we see some birds here. Okay, it looks like the birds is really scared with me. Okay, they are very aloof to people. They cannot even stay in one spot they keep on flying to their cage. Okay, also this side, there you are. I show you guys.
The whole recreational facility forms a unique corner of Singapore. It is the largest bird singing and display arena in the country, and one of the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. It is conducive and ideally suited for such activity. There is a lush greenery of nearby hill, a big car park, bird canopy, range trees, food outlets, and a market. The area has not only attract bird lovers but also casual local visitors. The best birds are brought here for training and competition, not only from Ang Mo Kio but also from as far as Pasiris, Jurong, or Woodlands. The hustle and bustle of activity is ongoing on a daily basis, every morning from 6 a.m. to noon, with the biggest crowds on weekends and public holidays. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, if you're going to visit Singapore, don't miss Kebun Baru Bird Singing Club. And if you have any suggestion or comment, please comment below. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you.
Course, while relaxing and sitting down here, I bring my drinks with me. And oh my, time for us to relax. Cheers, guys. Quite nice.
excuse me.
don't miss to go here, guys. But I don't know what is their exact timing to hang all the cages here, so that you can hear them all singing around here. But so far there's a lot of people also sitting down here and relaxing, hearing the sounds of birds. And cheers for that, guys. Very relaxing. Why? I remove my mask, which is free for me to breathe in and breathe out, and while drinking your beer. Awesome.
And done. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And please support my GFA member below my description by liking and sharing and subscribing to the channel too. Topak on food travels. See you on my next vlog. Woot 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 woot.